traffic here?
AI.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ, no.
Artificial intelligence.
Don't do this to yourself.
I don't know how.
How can it?
AI can't do anything.
Hello everyone, we are here at Church Street, Bengaluru. We have been hearing about AI hype everywhere. It's helping you with school assignment to Bangalore's chaotic traffic. But do the Bangaloreans really think about the same? Let's hear it from the young minds. So which is your favorite city to live in?
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Obviously now Bangalore because I've come here, so weather is very nice and I like it.
Chennai.
Bangalore, of course.
Bangalore.
Bangalore, obviously, because
Pune.
I am from Bangalore, so Bangalore for sure.
I'm from Pune, but I'm liking Bangalore now.
What do you think about the traffic in the city?
I've not experienced a lot of bad traffic myself.
It's crazy.
it's absolutely terrible.
Move anywhere else.
It's crazy.
Because the roads are very small.
Specified areas, yeah.
Very annoying.
You know that.
Yeah, worse than Pune, definitely. It's like complete bees surrounding the whole road. It's real bad. I don't like it at all.
It is getting better and better.
Horrible. I stopped cycling because of it. I'm like, should I get back onto cycling? And I'm like, no, because the way these guys drive
Yeah, it's more. But we travel in metro.
Don't do this to yourself.
I think Bangalore traffic is like waiting for the next season of a really good episode to come. It's still not coming because you're still waiting in that traffic.
Traffic is very bad because I'm from Delhi, so as compared to it, it's very bad.
Do you think AI can solve the Bangalore traffic here?
AI.
Yeah.
No. AI can't do half the things it needs to do normally as well, so I don't know
Okay.
what it'll do for traffic.
Oh, Jesus Christ, no. AI can't do anything.
AI can obviously solve it.
No, is it doing something now? I'm pretty sure the signals here are.
I don't think anything can solve Bangalore's traffic.
Nothing. Unlike they change the infrastructure, and it can't be done.
It's still as bad as it was before.
Maybe, I'm not sure.
I don't know how.
How can it?
If it does, then it's great. Like we need to have flying machines at this point.
And there will be traffic in the air. We don't want
So then
that.
we'll travel on the road.
to an extent, yes, to an extent, no. To an extent, it can be, misused for different stuff. Like it can cause more harm than good.
Maybe, but who knows?
Future it might be.
I don't think AI has a specific role in, transforming Bangalore traffic.
What is AI for you?
The does this mean?
Yeah, artificial intelligence.
Future.
It's a future.
Assignments.
AI's assignments.
Solutions for assignments.
It's a way to make things better.
Helps us with homework. Chat GPT.
No, GPT.
Like for some designs, for the captions of Instagram posts.
We use it for projects, but again, it's for referral purposes only. We don't take information directly from
So
that.
Google
and feed
versus
it.
ChatGPT, whom do you go to?
Google.
Just makes human work easier, so.
It's mostly ChatGPT, but also ChatGPT doesn't know a lot of law language, so I have to use my brains occasionally.
It's just that it's wrong 5% of the time, and I don't know when that 5% is. So I would rather just do it myself and make sure it's 100% correct.